Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube Variety Stick. Yes, we back again for another unboxing. As you guys can see, I have a big box, black box over here. But what's inside this box, this is what we are going to actually show you in this video. But before we do this, I want to thank every single one of you who participating in this channel, participating in the success makes us to be over 100,000 subscribers. Now the channel over 117,000 subscribers. I can't thank those people enough. I wish I can thank everyone personally for being part of our channel. I want to thank everyone watching, commenting, giving these videos likes. Even people do dislikes. Also, I want to thank these videos because those people help us to find out there is something wrong with this video, so we will work hard to actually fix it. Thank you so much, every one of you, for being part. For this moment, I want to share it with you because I feel that's something I have to share with you. This is your success, guys, because I'm nothing without you guys. For everything I have provided in the channel, the success I have received, that because of you guys. And this video is gonna be for you. I want to give you a like in this video. Thank you so much. I want to thank you and thank you and thank you over and over and over, because I can't thank you enough for getting this reward from YouTube. But believe me guys, this not my success, is your success. So without any further ado, let's find out more about what inside this box. There you go. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this thing, and I believe everybody know what's inside, or should know what's inside this box. So let's go ahead and open it. Haven't received it early, you should receive this reward when you reach 100,000 subscribers, but I just received it actually in the mail. It took YouTube a while to send it, but I've received it, so that's a good thing. And this is actually, guys, your success is not my success, because anyone has YouTube channel without subscribers, without people watching the videos, they are completely nothing. No matter what you do, no matter what your content, without actually your help, we are nothing. So we get this reward because of you guys, not because of us. Here you go. So we got a little sponge over here. So let's go ahead and remove. And we have some cards. Let me just go ahead and look at this to tell you that's a congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take a part of recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be etc. As you guys see, this is like they give us thanks or give us some congratulations. This congratulations, it should go for you guys, not for me. And we have another also paper here. It's YouTube in the top. You have just done something that very few YouTuber creators accomplish. We had us over like 100,000 people subscribe to your channel, blah blah blah. And then this one also signed by Susan, which is CEO of YouTube. Something actually, this doesn't actually worth money, but it's worthless as far as the money. It's something to be honored from YouTube that you have received this reward. And we have another actually silver YouTube button over here, and let's have a look on it over here. Here is for passing 100,000 subscribers, presented to Variety Stick, and this is the YouTube logo, and this kind of like a mirror over here. You guys even see the camera and see everything reflective. It looks so stunning. This is the new version. I've seen ones on YouTube before, was looked completely different. That's how this actually silver button is going to look like. As I said, this is not my nothing else in the box. This is actually your guys' success, And I want to thank you again. I want to thank you over and over and over for being part of Variety Stick, help us to reach this moment. I never ever thought in my life I will reach this, actually 100,000 subscribers. When I established the channel, I was doing something because I felt that I have time and I want to just show people cell phones. I want to do unboxing. I wasn't that experienced, by the way. I don't have a lot of knowledge, but I was looking to the comments, and then I start learn and do my homework better, and then get more experience. Everyone could be something in YouTube if they're willing to do it. And at the end, thank you so much. I hope that we can reach more subscribers, or actually improve the contents on the channel. I know I'm busy right now doing a lot of things. I'm not posting video as I used to. I want to apologize for everyone who watching the channel, but I would say stay tuned on the channel for more content in the future. Everything's gonna be much better. I want to actually after I reach this, I have to actually make my content even more professional so that you guys like it more. At the end, thank you so much everyone again for watching or staying till the end of this video, and I want to thank you for everything you guys have done for us. Leave something in a comment. I want to read all your comments. Give this video a like if you find this video or you find yourself part of this video. Please give this video a like, show me some love, because this is something encourage me. Till another video, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you later.